All right, today we are going to be doing some boneless country-style ribs in a crock pot. Now, we like to use these because, well, they tend to go on sale, and they're pretty flavorful. I like the bone-in ones better. Of course, I like a good rack of ribs that you dry rub and cook a long time in the oven or on the grill. But this is a super simple recipe you can put in your crock pot and forget about. The ingredients are super easy. You need some black pepper, some garlic powder, I'm going to comment on that in a minute, cayenne, paprika, and then some sea salt. And then once we put it in the crock pot, use some good old-fashioned wet barbecue sauce on top of it. Now, I actually do like to mince maybe 3 cloves of garlic and throw it in here. I seem to be out of garlic today, so we're going to substitute in with garlic powder. Black pepper, half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon, half a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, half a teaspoon. Mix it all together in a bowl, and then roll the ribs around it. Get your hands in there, get them dirty. Get the seasoning all over. Oh, love it. All right, once you get that, it's easier with 2 hands, I'll admit. I'm going to take the whole bowl and literally just dump it in here. Spread it out a little bit. And then, after you wash your hands, start squeezing in some of your favorite barbecue sauce. Now, we love Sweet Baby Ray's. Technically, you're going to use somewhere between a cup and a cup and a half. There will be some juice that comes out of all this, but I like to basically cover the meat. And I want to use this full bottle, if I'm being honest. I'll put more in there in a little bit. And then come down here. I want low heat. And it really needs to be about 5 to 6 hours. I'm going to set it for about 5:30. For our crock pot, that's going to be a little long. That's going to be steaming, boiling hot by the end of it. But we should end up with something that's juicy and delicious. I'm going to make some rice with it, maybe some corn, something like that as side items, and I'll show you all that at the end.